Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying about the science. The first question is the matter is made of. Option A cell, option B particles, option C tissues, option D atoms only. The correct answer will be matters is made of particles. Option B is correct. Now question number second. Which state of matter has a definite shape and definite volume? Liquid, gas, solid, plasma. The correct answer will be C, solid. Question number third. The particles of matters are stationary, very large, continuously moving, invisible only. Continuously moving. Option C is correct. Question number 4. Which state of matter can flow easily? Solid, liquid, gas, both liquid and gas. Correct answer, both liquid and gas. Option D is correct. Question number 5. The SI unit of temperature is Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, degree. The correct answer will be Kelvin. Question number 6. The process of the conversion of solid directly into gas is called condensation, sublimation, evaporation, fusion. The correct answer will be sublimation. Sublimation is the process in which the solid directly converted into the gases or vapor, that is known as the sublimation. Question 7. Which of the following shows the highest diffusion rate? Solid, liquid, gas, all equal. The correct answer will be gas. Option C is correct. Question 8. What is the boiling point of the water? 0 Celsius, 56 Celsius, 100 Celsius, 150 Celsius. Correct answer will be C, 100 Celsius. Question number 9. What is the melting point of the ice? 0 Celsius, 32 Celsius, 100 Celsius, minus 10 Celsius. Correct answer will be 0 Celsius. Option A is correct. Question 10. Which force hold the particles together in matter? Gravitational force, attraction force, magnetic force, friction force. The force which hold particle together in matter, that is known as attractive force. Option B is correct. Question 11. Evaporation cases heating, cooling, melting, freezing. Correct answer will be cooling. Option B is correct. Question 12. Which factor increases evaporation? Low temperature, high humidity, high temperature, no wind. Correct answer will be high temperature. Option C is correct. Question 30. The conversion of the gas into liquid is called sublimation, condensation, fusion, evaporation. The correct answer will be condensation. Option B is correct. Question 14. Dry ice is solid oxygen, solid carbon dioxide, solid nitrogen, solid water. The correct answer will be dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. Option B is correct. Question 15. Which state of matter has the maximum intermolecular space? Solid, liquid, gas, plasma. Correct answer will be gas. Gas state of matter has the maximum intermolecular space. 25 Celsius is equal to 223 Kelvin, 298 Kelvin, 300 Kelvin, 250 Kelvin. Correct answer will be 298 Kelvin. Option B is correct. Question third, 17. The process of the changing liquid into gas is called condensation, sublimation, evaporation, freezing. Correct answer will be evaporation. The process of changing liquid into gas is called evaporation. Question number 80. Which state of matter is highly compressible? Solid, liquid, gas? No. Option C is correct, gas. Question 19. The smell of perfume spread due to condensation, diffusion, sublimation, fusion. Correct answer will be diffusion. Question number 20. Matter occupies only mass, only space, mass and space, neither mass nor space. The correct answer will be mass and space. Thank you so much, nice. Please like, share, and subscribe the video.